Bad debt is the worst. Let me tell you a personal story. A few years ago, our company was doing $700,000 a year in revenue, and we had $150,000 of invoices that we had to write off as bad debt. That's like 15% of my entire year's revenue flushed down the toilet. And you know, when that happens, who gets hurt the most is the business owner who doesn't have the profit to take home. I still had to make payroll, I still had to pay my vendors, but I had to do it with $150,000 less than I expected to have. That was a big problem. I finally solved the problem once and for all by going to ACH. Now that stands for American Clearinghouse. You don't need to worry about that. What you need to know is you can ask your customers to pay their bill by ACH. You can require your customers to pay their bill by ACH. And you can, using ACH, you can take the payment from them. We've done that for 3 years now. My bad debt expense in the last 3 years has been exactly zero. ACH does require an upfront contract. So when we bring on a new client, they're asked to sign an agreement to have their account debited by us automatically on the 10th of the month. And of course, it requires a good, trusting relationship between the customer and the vendor. If you can't get ACH or that's just not for you, you should consider credit card charges. You should consider e-checks, the automatic electronic payment that software like QuickBooks offers on invoices when you email the invoice, the click to pay. But I'll tell you, the number one way to get paid is to make sure you take the money from your client rather than waiting for them to send it to you. It'll make a huge difference.